Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. And yes, I am still recovering, so my voice still sounds horrific. So thank you for powering through alongside me because this has been not fun. All right, today's video we are unboxing and taking a look at the Barbieri Zodiac Oracle by Barbara Moore, whom I adore, and artwork by Paolo Barbieri, who I also adore, published by Scarabeo. I believe this retails for $17.99 in the US. It could be more. As always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this if you want to. This is not sponsored. I purchased this one myself. So I'm excited. Let's get into it. It has a book and 26 cards. And it is in 5 languages as well. The unbound energy of art imbues signs, planets, and elements of modern astrology with powerful magic. Alrighty. It has a ribbon, which I flipped out. Okay, so before we get into the cards, I do want to take a peek at the guidebook here just to see if there's a specific way that we've got to use it or anything important that we need to know. This oracle uses the wisdom of astrology along with the element of synchronicity to help you divine your own guidance quickly and easily. Just like tarot cards, astrological components have many levels of meaning. The more you study, the more is revealed to you. To start you off easily, this booklet will provide general meanings and advice that will be easily extrapolated to most questions and situations. The signs will be explained first, then the planets, and will end with the elements. At the end of the card interpretations, you'll find a new way to use the cards. So the cards are numbered. All right. There's signs, then more information about astrology and the cards. And it looks like it goes into each card here. Awesome. Just want to see if there's anything. We do have spreads. So we have a 3 card. We have a 4 card there. And then we have a 12 card. Nice. And then it goes into the different languages. So let's get into the flip through. I'm going to unwrap this. I'll be right back. All right, here's the back. It is a high gloss. Pretty. Okay. And it is pretty thin. But it's not like paper thin. We'll see. I have a feeling it's going to shuffle just fine, but it is on the thinner side. The coating will help stabilize it. That high gloss coating will help stabilize it. We'll see how it goes, but it is a nice size, and let's get into it. Okay, so we have a number, we have the sign, and we have the title. Look at that art. Gorgeous. So interesting. And it's not the camera. It is a little on the, I'm going to say, hazy side of art. It feels very dream-like and ethereal. Oh my goodness. There's a lot to look at too. It's giving like high fantasy, and I'm here for that. Ooh, interesting. Oh, wow. Gorgeous. Okay, now let's get into the planets. It's very pretty. However, this might be hard for a beginner in astrology or beginner in divination to utilize without the guidebook. Like, this is probably going to be something that you need to have the guidebook next to you to utilize. I love this one because that just looks like the planet there. Oh, that's really cool. So we'll see how the guidebook reads. If Barbara Moore is involved, it's going to have enough information to really help you through. Love that. It's really dynamic. It's really pretty. It's very vibrant. The vibe of this deck is gorgeous. And the last one. Oh, that's so pretty. All right, let's see how it shuffles. Yeah, not bad. Ooh, look at that rifle. Or I should say bridge. Yeah, I am not upset with how this shuffles, even with it being 26 cards. Not mad at it. This deck has been out for quite some time. So I know there's a lot of you that probably own it. I would love to know what your thoughts are on this deck down in the comment section. All right, so we're going to read for Libra. Number 7. Okay, so it is air and it's a cardinal sign. Key phrase is I balance, and the time frame is September 23rd through October 22nd. And right now we are currently in Libra season as of filming this, so very spot on. The discerning energy of air takes on the cardinal, quote, solve it, unquote, quality and encourages identifying and solving problems. The key phrase, I balance, means that fairness, justice, and everyone getting along are the primary motivational drives. In this situation, ask, how can I manifest fair and stable balance? Ideals are beautiful things and very good guides. And then there's a little bit more here. Ideals are great, guiding stars, and the desire for fairness commendable. However, in the real world, ideals rarely exist in pristine form and justice elusive. At some point, decisions need to be made. Avoid indecisiveness. Okay, a straight and to the point oracle here. So I love that you can pretty much utilize this in many different ways. You can use it for your astrology readings like we do with the full moon and the new moon readings. You can utilize it every day to see what energies you need to focus on. Like this, you need to maybe incorporate more balance, or you can use it as kind of a learning deck as well to learn the planets, what they're about, the signs, as well as the elements here. So I think there's a lot of benefits to this, but like I said, if you're a beginner, if you're starting out, or if you're someone like me who always gets things confused sometimes with the way that her brain works, you might have to utilize the guidebook next to it for a while, but there's nothing wrong with that. That's okay. We don't judge when it comes to that. So I think the art is gorgeous. I think it's stunning. And like I said, I love Barbara Moore. She knows her stuff. So I am very happy to have purchased this. This is not a bad price either. I think when I purchased it, it was like 14 something on Amazon. So for 26 cards, that is not a bad price to pay. Again, it is in multiple languages. Would I like more cards? Yes. But I also know that I have other decks that do fulfill that for me. So I guess it all depends on what you want to utilize this deck for. If you're drawn to the art, if you're drawn to the way that it reads, you might prefer this over another astrological deck. So like I said before, let me know all of your thoughts about this down in the comment section below. I would love to know if you own this, if this is something you use, or if this is something that you didn't really enjoy, that you kind of put on the back burner. I would love to know all of your thoughts down below, and drop your zodiac sign or a zodiac sign to let me know that you've made it this far in the video. Please check out my link tree in the description box. I have all of my socials there. Those are my only accounts. Do not get scammed. I will never DM you. I will never tell you that I need to do a reading for you. I will never ask you for money. So I will never be sliding into your DMs. Now, if you DM me, that's a different thing, you know, obviously, but I will not reach out and slide in. So do be safe, do not get scammed, and do check out all of my socials. I am more on TikTok nowadays. I've got back down into that rabbit hole, so you'll find me over there for more personal, quick videos. And yeah, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. And if you want more content quicker and faster, I do have channel memberships opened as well as my Patreon. And there's also other perks as well. So you get videos first and you get the new release decks first before everybody else does those videos. So thank you to all of my channel members and my Patreons for supporting me. I really appreciate it. It is so wonderful. So anyway, thank you all. I love you and I like you. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.